Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about some technical tools, like we'll be looking at the daily trend, what would be the direction, what would be the levels for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. So this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and you can see the whole momentum, the current momentum. So the price is now just taking a support at 20,000 levels. So we have seen again and again, and this is the thing, we were talking about this thing in the last few videos many a times, that till the time the price is not giving any direction towards one side, we will be getting this kind of consolidation only, right? So what exactly is happening in this particular cryptocurrency is that one day you will see a good fall, or maybe few days you will see a good fall, and then the price will just consolidate at this level, right? So this is exactly which is happening currently, and you can see the price is just hovering around at 20,000 level. So unless and look at the volume. So the volumes are very less as of now, which is again telling me or giving me an indication that from here we might not see further fall. And if we need if we see a good fall, has to be good buyers or good sellers, especially the good sellers there, right? So what we can expect, we can take it 20,000 as the support, and we can take 22,600 as the resistance. So this is for the Bitcoin. So this is the daily chart of Ethereum, and you can see the price is somewhat stabling here at the level of 1510, and you can see there is a 100 EMA as well. So now again, because of the lack of momentum here, we are not getting very good upside momentum. However, somehow the price is just stabilizing at this level, and it's just holding up the 100 EMA level. So what we can see, we can take this level 110 as the support level, and we can take 1725 as the resistance level. So these are the two levels which we can see for the Ethereum. And again, we will see that the price will just hover around at the support level till the time we'll not see good volumes in this cryptocurrency. So this is how we are looking at these two cryptocurrencies, and you can also look at the levels for the cryptocurrencies. So if you're liking this content, if you're liking this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, also click on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out anything in future. So this is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching us.